Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer the files from Google Drive to USB flash drive step by step. So if you want to save your cloud files onto a USB for backup or sharing, the process is quite simple. So here is how you can do it. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for drive.google.com. Now here you need to simply log in with that particular account of yours in which you have the files located. So once you are inside, you are going to see bunch of different files and folders available in your Google Drive here on the home page. So among the given folders and the files, you just have to basically select that particular image or number of images which you want to basically download, and then you want to transfer it to the USB flash drive. So here, as you can see, I have some of these folders available. If I double click on any one of these, I have this image available. So I can click on the three dots right next to it. Then I can click on the option of download. Or you can also download the entire folder if there are a lot of files available and you want to download them in bulk. For that, you just have to come out of the folder, and here click on the three dots right next to the folder. Afterwards, click on the option of download, and again it will start downloading on your device. Now once downloadation is completed, you just have to insert your USB flash drive. So when you do this, you can just simply open your file explorer. Over here, simply go to the download section, and from there you just have to basically cut the file which you have downloaded and paste it in your USB flash drive folder. So this way you will be able to basically transfer the files from the Google Drives to the USB flash drive very easily. It's just like copy and pasting. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.